So it's getting warm enough outside that I guess it's time to take down all the tarps because I don't need to heat my workshop anymore. And this will give me much better access to actually set up cameras for doing my my YouTube videos. Now I've moved to the outside to take off the rest. I think I'm going to leave this one side on here just to help funnel the air cleaner a little bit better and maybe keep more dust off of my wife's shelving of stuff. Okay, the curtain rod's actually in the way for me to get that last screw out of the way. So I have to take the curtain down. I'm gonna have to take the curtain rod down for a little bit. I forgot I stapled some of these on there. Yeah, it is usually. Last thing is the magnets. Dang it, I'm working here. Okay.